Hello, everybody. It's that time again. It's been quite a while since we've done this, but we are going to do an auction this weekend, Saturday, November 26th, of a kilo of world silver coins. Right here, I have 10 different bags, all weighing approximately 1,000 grams each of total actual total weight. Almost all silver coins from all around the world, and we are going to sell one of these in an auction this weekend. What we do is we open up the bag. These are unsearched by me. You don't know what's in here either. We go through the coins one at a time, and we start them all at a fair price. We look them up. We try to learn about the coins, try to figure out what they are, and we sell them one after another until the whole bag's gone. Now, that takes quite a while. If you've looked at our past World Kilo of Silver auctions, usually they take 2 or 3 days. So our plan is to start tomorrow, Saturday, November 26th, at 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern, and maybe we'll continue tomorrow or then the following day on Sunday as well. And if we need to go into the next week, we will. So this little quick video is just to let you know that we're having an auction. So again, tomorrow, Saturday, November 26th, 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern. And what we're also going to do here is we're going to pick which bag we're going to sell. Again, I have 10 bags here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to separate these a little bit to make a little bit of room. We're going to roll a 10-sided die and see which bag we're going with. Bag number 5. Bag number 5 is what we rolled. That's this one right here, weighing in at a total of 1,011 grams. And this is the bag that actually has a world gold coin in it too. What else can we see in here? There's a large Mexican coin, a very large French 50 or francs silver. Anything else fun that we see in here? Lots of coins from lots of different places in the world. There's Australian, there's Panama, there's Cuba, a couple more Mexican, there's Hong Kong. Coins from all over the world. Again, I hope you guys join us for lots of fun, and we'll have some giveaways too. Hope to see many of you there again, starting tomorrow, Saturday, November 26th, 2 p.m. Pacific, 5 p.m. Eastern. I'll put a link to a Google Doc in the description as well. Please let me know if you got any questions. Otherwise, we'll see you then.